There don't jump. Not that easy. Thought there were more over here, but I don't know. I'll end up getting lost myself. What the hell is that? Damn. Damn. Yo. One of these guys ran me. You guys are gonna laugh. You're a boss. You'll try to have sex with me, man. Twice. Second time. That sunset, isn't that beautiful? But these deer had to have their way with me more than once, man. Oh, there's another little guy. They're all his girls. Steve. This whole neighborhood's his, man. If I get rutted. Whoa. Hey. Ladies into the sunset. Ladies in the sunset.